Howdy, Fast Forward 289 back again. I want to do a video to show y'all how to grease the hood hinges on the old 60s and 70s Ford vehicles, and it's about the same for any other vehicle as well. But you got to make sure you get all your pivot points like this. And I use white lithium grease. That's the best kind. Works the best. Clings to it, sticks to it. Don't take a whole lot, just enough to get in the joints. Anywhere there might be friction or wear. And you can always come back and wipe up excess that you have, and clean it up a little bit. I'm not going to show the other side because it's the same process. For the hood latch, about the same thing. Just get all your pivot points, pressure points, and anywhere there might be friction, movement. I like to take it, I like to work the latch. And make sure everything's working freely. Get all your springs, help keep them from rusting, and that way they won't break on you. So, okay, that's all there is to it. Have a good day.